So we're back with the Evinrude 60 ETEC, and we're going to change this fuel filter here. Now I've got the replacement OEM part, fuel filter kit 500-7335, and it comes with the fuel filter, cable tie and two O clips which need to be clamped using this tool. It just crimps the ends over on the hoses there. Really straightforward job. First thing to do, cut this cable tie off, cut these two retaining clips off using some side cutters. You can use the actual crimper, but I find the side cutters is a lot easier. And then we can change it. So I'll remove them first and then show you what to do. So the first thing, just remove this cable tie. We won't be needing that again. That does give you a little bit extra wiggle room. And then cut these clamps off. Don't know when the last time this was changed, but it was a long time ago. Now if you look here, you can see there's a little arrow, and that's the fuel flow direction. It has to go back in that direction. If you do it that way, you'll run into a lot of issues. So like that. Just pop them off. So now for the OEM part, got the filter, cable tie and the two fuel clamps. So we'll just pop them straight over. And remember in the direction with the arrow, made in Russia. Don't know if they still are, but that's where that one was made. We get on here the largest exposed tab, making sure it's in position because you only get one go at this, and we give it a firm squeeze, and that's it on. Same for this one. Firm squeeze, and it's not coming off. Now we just feed the cable tie around the bracket. The side cutters here, and just cut the excess off. And that's it. That's how you replace the fuel filter on the Evinrude ETEC. This is on a 60. I believe it's the same for the 40 and the 50 if there is one, or the 65. I'm not sure. There's three models that this is common to. It's probably common to more, but this one fits the 60 for definite because it came in the kit.